everyone, thank you for joining me for What's in the Bag today. Miss Poppy the Panda has packed some items into her school bag and they all start with the sound P for the letter P. Are you excited to find out what's in the bag? Thank you, Miss Poppy. Are you ready? We're going to sing our song. Can you show me your clapping hands? Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Let's see what's in the bag. Remember, everything starts with the sound. Let's have a look. What have we got? Oh, it's a lucky dip. And it's something that I like to eat. It is pineapple. Put your hand up if you like to eat pineapple. Pineapple. Fantastic. Are you ready for another item out of the bag? Can you help me? Show me your clapping hands. Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Let's see what's in the bag. Oh, it's another piece of fruit. It's a pear. Pear. Pop your lips together and just pear. Let's go over our words. Pineapple, pear. Are you ready for something else out of the bag? Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Let's see what else is in the bag. I think Miss Poppy can help us next time. Can you see her favourite colours? Pink and purple. Oh, yum! Yum! Who likes to eat pizza? Pizza. Is your favourite pepperoni? Do you like pineapple on your pizza? Let's have a look at our words, shall we? Pineapple, pear, pizza. Can you say them again with me? Pineapple, pear, pizza. Well done. Are you ready to find out what else is in the bag? Perhaps Poppy the Panda could help us this time. Yes, please. Show me your clapping hands. Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can Poppy help me? Thank you, Poppy. Let's see what else is in the bag. Remember, it starts with P. Oh, yum. Oh, there's lots of food in here today. Popcorn. Popcorn. We sometimes get that when we go to the movies, don't we? All right, let's go over our words, shall we? Pineapple, pear, pizza, popcorn. Fantastic, well done. Are you ready for the last item in the bag? Show me your clapping hands, everybody. Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Let's find out what is else. What else is in the bag? Oh, puzzle. Puzzle. I like to do puzzles. They're good for your maths brain. Do you like to do puzzles? They're fantastic. Let's go over our words. Let's have a look and practice our P sound. Here we go. Pineapple, pear, pizza, popcorn, puzzle. How did you go? Did you manage to say all of those words? Thank you, Miss Poppy, for introducing the P sound to us, made by the letter P. Thank you so much for joining me for What's in the Bag. I'll look forward to seeing you next time for What's in the Bag. And don't forget, I don't want you to just start school. I want you to begin brilliantly. Thank you very much, Miss Poppy, for introducing the sound P from the letter P. I look forward to seeing you for our next episode of What's in the Bag. And don't forget, I don't want you to just begin school. I want you to begin brilliantly. Until next time, I'm Miss Jo. I'll see you later.